This featured product update to Power Apps Dataverse highlights Check Access, a new record-level security feature admins can use to check and assign security roles. In this scenario, the owner of an account needs to collaborate with their teammates to manage the account. Opening the account, the owner can access common tasks such as adding another user or team and adding or deleting permissions. Verifying the permissions, they can share the record with their teammate. When their team member opens all accounts from their active records, they can open the account and select the new feature Check Access and learn how they were granted access to the record. Key data is accessed such as common security permissions, including access to read, write, create, assign, and share files. Team members have insight into their security role and the teams they belong to. And by selecting Shared, they can verify access has been granted to a shared account. If manager hierarchy security is enabled, the teammate's manager can also collaborate on the records owned by or shared with the members of the manager's direct report. After selecting an account and navigating to Check Access, the manager can select Hierarchy to verify access to this record. It is either marked as Record is owned by a direct report or Record was shared to my direct report. Occasionally, users may have questions about their security access. With the Check Access tool, admins and managers can easily look up the answers for how did they get access to a record? How did I get access to a record? Why can't I access a record my coworker can? With User Lookup, admins can confirm anyone's security access by utilizing the Search User function. With Power Apps Check Access feature, admins can easily update permissions and troubleshoot user access issues locally, making team coordination fast and secure.